welcome to day 6 of the 12 days of homemade Christmas. We are making candles. Okay, so we're just gonna melt some of this, and if we need more, we'll melt some more.
So we have a bunch of different candles of different sizes. Don't know exactly how much to put in, so we're just kind of gonna eyeball this. And
we have these little wax chip melts.
Yes, they're wax chips and they will melt down. We found these at a thrift store for just a couple of dollars.
And they're super cute.
And they're so lovely. So the first thing that we have got to do for this is melt some wax. So we've just poured some into a saucepan. We're gonna melt on the stove. All right, so right now, Michaela is over there boiling our wax, melting it down to get ready to pour into all of these lovely jars. And right now, I need to show you the candle wicks. They look like this. They have a little metal base on the bottom. So we will be right now, we have these little stickers almost, which we will be using to attach the candle wicks to the bottoms of our containers. So this is, both sides of this are sticky. We'll stick this to the very bottom, then stick the wick on top of that. And then we have these popsicle sticks. You can see there's a small hole in the middle. And that is to be able to hold the wick up for now. So we'll be using that to hold the wick up. This is mostly for while the wax is drying, so you don't get a dried candle with the wick sticking out of the side. So right now we are going to go and prep all 6 of these candles and get them ready for when Michaela is done melting the wax.
Are you done?
I am done. All right, so right now we have some wax freshly heated up, enough for me to do the candles I am making. Michaela has hers and she will be coloring hers. I'm not gonna be coloring mine. If you want to learn how to make colored candles, stay tuned for Michaela. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pour, this is really hot wax. Do not touch it. If you saw the trail mix video where I made caramel popcorn, it is similar to that in that it will burn and it will stick and stay burning. And that is about enough for just one candle for now. So I'm just going to put some essential oil in that. If you'd like some more info on essential oil, we talk a little bit more about using essential oils in general in our video of making sugar scrub, which we will link down below in the description. So right now, just have one candle and we're just going to wait for this to set and all the wax will dry and we'll have a lovely candle.
I'm just gonna get part of the color melts.
Just one. I think you could use a whole one.
I'm just gonna do a little by little, like food coloring. So I'm gonna put that in there. Then, yeah, that's red.
Here, take one of these to keep your wick straight.
Yep. Okay, so we have this. I'm going to mix it in there This is my red one. It might dry pinkier, but put a little too much red in there. So we'll use that for when I make my pink one.
I will use this
Okay.
in my next candle.
So are you making peppermint?
Yes, I will be making my next candle, which will be peppermint scented.
My candle is going to be cotton candy scented. Smells good. Okay. What's yours?
This candle is going to be peppermint scented.
All right, now I'm going to do this little guy right here. He's gonna be my pink. So I'm gonna cut even a smaller amount, like that much. Plop it in there. Okay.
Ooh, it fizzles.
Yeah.
It's kind of fun.
So here's my pink, and actually I think I'm gonna do purple because still a little more red.
Just a barely teeny corner.
Okay. Okay, there we go. I put my blue in there.
And that should make it purple. It's making it a lot more dark.
Yeah, that's still fine. It'll dry lighter, I think. Just a teensy more blue.
All right, would you like to make this last candle?
Oh, sure. You don't wanna, oh, you already have one of those.
I already have two. One in each scent that I'm doing.
Okay.
Use other of these.
So here's that. And I'm gonna finish us off by doing this beautiful butterfly. And I think, so I think this one
Should be blue.
Yes. Oh my goodness. Don't explode it.
Bright blue.
Ooh.
Very, very blue.
Very, very blue. Like all that?
Like all that. Maybe even more.
Well, it is a very large jar. Let's do this in there. So I'm doing a very bright blue. And the butterfly shows up really well on it. Okay. This is all mixed in. I'm gonna add my scent into it. Okay. So our candles are done. We'll see you back here when they're dry. All right, our candles are done. And this is what they look like. Mine are cotton candy scented and hers are peppermint and cypress. So this is a great gift, and probably the longest part of it was letting them cool. You just need to set them overnight to dry. Overall, it was really fast and fun. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe for more fun, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
I think Dad could do a very good job of editing this video.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes, let's. 3, 2,
3, 2, 1. Sisters,
Thumbnail.
sisters, intro, sisters. Do.
thumbnail. Like, this.
Let's listen to the radio. Whoa, yo.
Radio? Who needs a radio? Ready, Harry? Mock.
Yeah.
Ing.
Yeah.
Bird.
Yeah.
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 Mockingbird don't.
Oh. Don't you dare. I shouldn't have done that.
It's still recording.
I did it anyways, I might as well just make the most of it.
Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la.